Intermittent fasting is a great tool for accelerating fat loss, but it can be intimidating to think about going without food for 16 hours or more. In this video, I share 3 tips that will help you comfortably add intermittent fasting to your weight loss strategy. First, I think you will find it much easier to complete your fast if you make it a rule to stop eating 3 hours before bedtime. So simply think about the normal time that you go to bed, count back 3 hours, and declare that time the end of your eating day. Now this has a couple of benefits. First of all, it provides time for your body to digest dinner, which helps you to sleep better. When we don't sleep soundly, cravings are more pronounced. Dr. Sachin Panda, who I would consider to be a founding father of time-restricted eating and a leading researcher on circadian rhythm, stated that when you eat late at night, blood flow is directed towards your stomach, which raises your core temperature, making it harder for us to fall into the deep sleep that we need for full rest. The 3-hour before bed rule also allows you to avoid late night snacking, which is a habit that can easily derail a weight loss plan. And that is why this rule is one of my 4 daily habits for weight loss, which many of you know as my 0-1-2-3 strategy. Another way that you can make intermittent fasting easier is to add fat to your coffee or tea in the morning. Now, the purists out there will say that taking in fat calories breaks your fast, and in the purest sense, I agree. However, the nutrient fat causes little or no rise in insulin, which is the hormone that will kick your body out of fat burning. So if you're looking to use intermittent fasting as a long-term weight loss strategy, that 100 calories or so of pure fat will help take the edge off of hunger, and as soon as those calories are used, your body will return to burning body fat. On my second YouTube channel, my husband and I tested many different fats like MCT oil, coconut oil, heavy cream, and more recently half and half to see how they would affect our bodies during a fast. And the standout by far was MCT oil. When we consumed MCT oil, we experienced a rise in ketones and a drop in glucose over the 2-hour testing period. And that was a favorable state that suggested that our bodies were staying in fat burning mode. So if you're looking for the best advantage, I suggest starting with a teaspoon of MCT oil to see how your body tolerates it, and then working up to a tablespoon if you are feeling good. The third tip is to get yourself fat adapted before you start practicing intermittent fasting. Being fat adapted means that you have restricted carbs enough to induce an increase in fat burning. And when this adaptation has taken place in your body, you are no longer subjected to the blood sugar swings that happen in a person who is eating a high-carb diet. It is those swings, and in particular the drops in blood sugar, that cause the rapid onset of hunger that can force you to stop your fast. When you're fat adapted, your body is able to easily convert fat to energy, and since we have a vast supply stored on our bodies, our energy stays steady and we become free of hunger and our dependence on eating quick sources of energy like carbohydrates. Now, how long it takes your body to get fat adapted will depend on many factors, but the most important thing that you can do to get into this state quickly is to reduce your daily carb intake. If you want a guide to follow that eliminates the guesswork of getting fat adapted, I have 2 21-day challenges that provide daily low-carb or keto meal plans. The daily menus are sent to your email each day, so you know exactly what to eat to get your body fat adapted. And when you are there, you will find it much easier to accelerate your results with intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you back here next week with another video to help you reach your goal. Thanks.